Hey, welcome back. I've got a car spider. Ooh, car spider. Little orb spider decided to make a house on my car. We need to go get some petrol. And I've got a bunch of wires in the way. But the Range Rover needs some gas. So we're gonna go get some gas. Let's see if we can do this, and we'll do this, and we'll do this, and we'll do something like that. And then we'll find our switch to open the window so I don't sweat to death. Window down. And window down. Nice. Can we switch with that? Nope, can't. Okay. It says low coolant. I don't know where that coolant would have gone, but oh, now it's better. All right, so we need to top off the coolant at some point during this trip. When we get back anyway, whatever. I need a better way to do this. Oh, she died. Hope she didn't die because she's out of gas. You know what? I should get my gas cans too, because those are empty and I can't fill the mower without them. Okay, I decided against bringing the gas cans because I checked all my gas cans and I've got 2 completely full ones and 1 partially full one, so like half full, so we're okay. So we're just gonna go down low idle. Dang it, she's on idle today. Come on, baby. Come on, baby, show me some love. I just brought the orb spider into the car. Ah, well, it'll be okay. It'll work out. Definitely smell the coolant. Somewhere we've got a coolant leak. Still. Fixed one, I wonder where the other one is. Yeah, we'll sort it out. Where did I? Good grief. I didn't have the camera on, but the Bendix on the starter's starting to fail. I turned the key, it went that, so the Bendix is going. great. Never say that they won't wear out just sitting in a garage, because they will. So, all right, we got some petrol. It's shut off at 12 gallons, so I'm watching it still creep up. I don't know that that's full, but it might be full, I don't know. We'll see where it's at when we get home. It's still moving a little bit. All right. Let's get on home then. Sounds like we need to get some stuff put in back there. It's awful loud. Still rattly rattles. I don't know what side it's coming from. My dad would have said, Little Chicago. Waiting for a traffic light in the middle of a little tiny town like this. I had my backup cameras installed, I wouldn't have to turn my head around. Oh, pardon me. All right. Ooh, we're close to lined up. Well, that was an adventure. Hopefully she'll start and I can get her back in the garage tonight. That's annoying. Gosh. Parts after parts after parts failing. Oh. All right. Minimize the heat in there for sure. All right. I need a drink. I'm sweating like a pig, and we'll do more in a minute.